guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. आज का video is going to be another fashion haul video and it's from none other than Myntra Fashions. So recently मैंने Myntra से बहुत सारी shopping की थी. I got a few tops, graphic t-shirts, dresses and bottoms. तो इस video में मैं आपको सब दिखाने वाली हूँ. It starts from as low as 150 rupees and goes up to like 800 rupees I think. So everything is under 1,000 rupees and it's super affordable and I'm sure you guys are going to really enjoy today's video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. Alright, so everything that I'm going to show you उस सबके price मैं screen पे flash कर दूंगी. So if I forget anything, all the sizes, all the prices, everything, the links will be down in the description box so you can check it out. Let's start with the most simple t-shirt. So the first one that I got is a very basic but boxy and hot pink crop top. तो ये मैंने खरीदी Cook and Keech से. I think ये Hazel Keech का brand है if I'm not wrong. So it's a really nice, very soft cotton crop top. ये थोड़ा boxy fit है, so उसके sleeves are quite short and the whole fit of this crop top is very boxy. I got this in the size medium and इसका price यहाँ पे flash हो रहा होगा. But I really like this. मैं already इसे एक बार पहन चुकी हूँ. It's very good to be worn at home. You can also just wear this out with a nice pair of shorts and accessorize it if you want to wear it outside. But ये काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी t-shirt है and it was really cheap also. Now the next few t-shirts and pieces are actually graphic t-shirts. Now one thing you guys need to know about me is I live in graphic t-shirts. मुझे बहुत पसंद है because you can do so much with graphic t-shirts. So I just wanted a few new ones. And I also found out that Max has totally revamped their whole clothing section and they've improved the styling and everything and I quite like the new collection. So if you're looking for some affordable yet trendy pieces and you want to shop from a trusted website or app, you can try out Max Fashion. ये Myntra पे भी है और उनका खुद का site भी है. So the next t-shirt that I have is this one. Now this one says feminism includes all genders and this is a very nice sage green color. अब ये जो new color है, sage green is one of my favorite colors of all time. पहले lilac था, now I've sort of come up to sage green. I quite like this color. So yeah, this is from Max और ये size L में है. And guys, इसका price सिर्फ 249 rupees है. This has embroidered thing and like this embossed like I think a sticker, I don't know, but it's really pretty and very good for housewear or you can also wear this out. And I'm a feminist and I had to get this. Next up is another graphic t-shirt which actually I quite like. Now this one is again for something I really stand by, which is self-love. Now if you guys didn't know already, I have, oh not here, sorry. I already have a self-love tattoo. I did a vlog about this. If you guys want to go, you can check it out. But I'm a huge stan of self-love. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need this. So it's a plain, like it's a normal basic white t-shirt. But it has self-love written on it in red color. तो मुझे काफी ज़्यादा cute लगी. So I got this in the size large क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा boxy fit चाहिए था. And yeah, this is a really nice t-shirt. बिल्कुल भी transparent नहीं है. Material बहुत soft है. And print is also of good quality. So I quite like this. And ये थी 699 की, पर मुझे सेल पे काफी सस्ते में मिल गई थी. Moving on, I have another t-shirt which is a little feminist, feminism के बारे में. So this is again from the brand Cook and Keech. This is a black color t-shirt और इस पे बस feminist लिखा हुआ है typewriter font में. Again, I think this is a crop top, not sure, but I quite like this. I love anything which has anything to do with self-love, feminism and body positivity. So I saw this and I was like, मुझे ये भी चाहिए. So this is nice because it's also plain black and no amount of black and white basics are enough in your wardrobe. So this is again from the brand Cook and Keech और फिर से मैंने large size में लिया है. इसका price था 699 rupees. Again, I got this on really good discount. So I'll have the screenshot over here for you guys to see. And I have another thing which actually I want tattooed, like not exactly this, iska thoda better version, but this is another t-shirt which I got from Dressberry. Now this is how it looks. It's a normal basic beige colored cotton t-shirt and it's very plain. The only good thing which I love about this is this embroidery patch over here. So this has a vase or vase, however you want to call it, with a couple of flowers. And I genuinely really like minimal things like this because you can just wear this with a t-shirt, shorts or straight fit jeans and it'll look really nice. I have another thing by Max Fashion. You guys, Max Fashion has really done well for themselves. बहुत अच्छे styles इनके आ चुके हैं बाहर and I quite like it. So this one is actually a ribbed crop top or short top. I don't know इसे क्या बोलोगे, but it's really nice. Again, this is a very cute green color. मुझे ऐसे colors बहुत पसंद है. I used to be a black and white person, but now I finally, dived into colorful clothes a little more. So this one is really nice because it's ribbed. I like anything which is ribbed. I think it adds a lot of oomph to your normal and most basic outfit. So ये जो मैंने मैक्स से खरीदी थी, इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे buttons हैं and it's very plain. Honestly, you can wear this with really high waisted shorts and really high waisted jeans and carry a little shoulder bag, the baguette bags, wear a few accessories and you're good to go. I think this is really nice. तो हाँ, ये next purchase है and you guys won't believe this is only for 400 rupees और I think मुझे कोई discount या कोई offer में मिली थी, so that was a steal and I loved this t-shirt. So next जो है is actually from H&M on Myntra and this is honestly, you guys, this is one of my favorite pieces of this haul. It is this tie and dye crop top from H&M and यहाँ पे एक knot दिया गया हुआ है, okay? And you guys, मेरे को कब से कुछ tie and dye का चाहिए था and I love blue. As you guys can see, I have blue eyeliner, blue hair, everything blue. So when I saw this, I was like, I need it because lately I've been experimenting with colors like you guys can see and I genuinely really like this. The knot over here really adds to the t-shirt, so you can wear it outside and wear it like, you dress it up and stuff. It's amazing. And what's also nice about it, like you guys can see, it is from a ribbed material. ये मैंने full price पे खरीदा था. This was for $7.99. I didn't get a discount on it, but it's fine. I was shopping. I was like, you know what? Let me just add this. So $7.99 में ऐसा top is really nice. Quality is very good. It's not bad quality, very breathable and not transparent at all. So a big thumbs up from my side. Next, I have the last top to show you guys. और oh bhai, this is just beautiful. Oh ये उल्टी है. So ये जो है actually, this is a very nice salmon pink color and I think इसे sweetheart neckline कहते हैं, right? So this has a sweetheart neckline and this is how it looks. आगे का है इसका, wait, yeah, ये इसका आगे का है. So this is how the neckline looks. पीछे से it's like almost like a square neck और आगे से ऐसा है. यहाँ पे आगे प्लीट्स हैं and same पीछे भी प्लीट्स हैं. ये आपको पहन के समझ आएगा, ऐसा बस क्रम्बल दिख रहा होगा. And इसके sleeves puffed हैं और आगे से cinched है. And इसकी waist भी cinched है, almost like a peplum top. And honestly, I've been digging the sweetheart necklines. I think I'm gonna get a few other tops जो same neckline में हैं. I think they really flatter me and my body. ये थोड़ा सा deep neck है. If you guys mind that, तुम थोड़ा ऊपर कर सकते हो और थोड़ा stitch करा सकते हो. But I kind of like it. Moving on, I forgot to show you another piece that I have. This one is a plain black crop top from this brand called Sassafras. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a really cute one. तो ये दिखने में बहुत ही plain black crop top है, which is a basic, a staple in everyone's wardrobe. But it has a twist. इसके पीछे दो tie-ups हैं, and these tie-ups you just tie and you'll have a really cute cut. बीच में एक ऐसा cut आता है, and it looks really nice at the back. Actually, my friend sent this in a hamper they made for me on my birthday. So yeah, this is what they sent me. So this is for $9.99 and I think they got it on a discount. I'm not sure. मैं screenshot यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी for you guys. Now we're coming on to the last two pieces of the haul, which are a dress and a pair of shorts. तो I basically got white shorts. ये थोड़ी गंदी है because मैंने अभी recently पहनी थी. so ignore that. But these are from Denizen from Levi's. So Levi's is my trusted and go-to brand for lowers and denims and everything. So ये उनका ही sister brand है, which is called Denizen, and these are high-waisted white shorts. These are pure cotton, and I got it for a steal. I remember these were for some 1500 rupees, and I got it for 799 or 748. I'm not sure, but I got this on a really good discount. I have no white shorts and especially high-waisted, तो मैंने ये खरीदी थी, and I really like them. Very good quality, बिल्कुल भी अजीब नहीं हुआ है. So yeah, this is the second last thing that I got from Myntra. And now for the last thing, and again one of my favorites. This is again from the brand Sassafras. Oh, by the way, ये size 30 है. Now coming on to the last thing, which is a dress, and one of my favorites. I also wore this on my birthday today in quarantine and lockdown. But yeah, this is how it is. It's called a Shifili dress. I'm not sure how to pronounce the thing. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. For all you fashion nerds, I'm sorry. But this is how it looks. It's a very pretty dress, and I really like it. यहाँ पे hook है, so if you're not comfortable with showing a lot of cleavage, you can just like hook it up. And I don't know, the whole embroidery, the cutting is so pretty, and यहाँ पे it's really flowy. It's a little short, so अगर आपको थोड़ा length का problem होता है, you can see it in the try on and then decide if you want it or not. The thing with this is कि मेरे को इसके sizing में problem हो रही थी. I ordered a large, it was too huge in me, and this is a medium, so it's a little tight on my bust. My bust size is 38, so it was a little tight to me. तो इसका sizing थोड़ा सा off है, but for how pretty it is, I'm okay to like keep adjusting this over here. With that, we come to an end of this fashion haul. I hope कि आपको ये fashion haul काफी अच्छा लगा होगा. And I just want to know one thing. I was looking to shop from Street Style Store and Urbanic. Let me know which one would you want first. Do you want an Urbanic haul? Do you want a Street Style store haul? And आपको उसमें क्या देखना है? Do you want jeans? Do you want tops, dresses? Let me know in the comments below so that I can go and start shopping, so I can do a haul and an honest review for you guys. And yeah, with that we come to an end of this video. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, please don't forget to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, all of that jazz. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. Comment करना मत भूलना. निर्मा गोल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. खुद से सफेदी निर्मा से आई, रंगीन सबकी पसंद निर्मा.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.